Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to unsubscribe from Scentbird. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Scentbird, you can use the link in the description and you may get discounts and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So to cancel your subscription from Scentbird, what you're going to do is to go to the Scentbird customer service. So on Google, just type Scentbird and go to their website. And when you're on the website, you can just log in with your account if you want, but it's not really necessary. But if you're on the website, what you're going to do now is to scroll down until you find customer service. So on the bottom part of the website, so I'm going to scroll down until I found those options. So right here, as you can see under the About Scentbird, I can click Help and Support. And after that, I will be redirected to this page. And after that, I can click Contact Us right here to go to their contact page. So right here on their customer contact page, I can now submit a request. So I can just click Submit a Request. Then after that, the support experience is loading. So I'm just going to wait until these options will appear. So now I can, add some subjects. So for example, cancel subscription. And if I click that, there is actually articles that will pop up to, help me how to cancel it myself. But it's better that you enter or you send the message from customer service. So on your issue, just select membership and subscription, and on the description just explain why do you want to cancel your subscription, and you can also ask for help how to cancel your subscription. But after you do that, on the attachment, of course, you need to input your proof of subscription so that they know that you really purchased their subscription. So after you do all of that, just click submit and your request will be sent to the customer service, and they just need to review it and verify it, and they will help you after that. So take note that it will not cancel actually your subscription, but to cancel your recurring subscription. So it will cancel your subscription from for the next month if you have a 1 month subscription, and cancel your bill for the next month, but it will not refund your payment from your recent subscription. Also take note that you need to cancel your subscription 1 day before your subscription expired. So you really need to act fast, and if you want to act fast, you can actually message the Scentbird through their Instagram and Facebook accounts, and that's it. So yeah, that's how you can cancel your Scentbird subscription. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.